It's raining, it's pouring.
Hey my natural beauties, welcome back to my channel. It's Toya here. To all my new subscribers, welcome to you, and I'm so glad you're here. I'm so glad that you subscribed to me. And yeah, of course you guys can tell by the title, this is a tutorial, and this is going to be the tutorial for today. My hands are very bloody right now, and that's the aftermath of doing this tutorial. My blood went dry and rusty and all that shit, but I absolutely love this look. Yeah, so it was inspired by Halloween, of course, and it's just like a pale zombie bride with like blood tears and blood marks from eating people and shit like that. So I really hope you guys enjoy this. Okay, so I added some flair to the look by just adding these lashes by Glam-i, and they're just the Remy lashes, and they're in number 15. You guys can't see, of course, because I took the lashes out, but if you guys have checked out my last Halloween tutorial, then you'll see it's the very same lashes that I used for that look as well. And also, if you guys are going to be doing the fake blood, if you can't get like professional fake blood, then I wouldn't recommend using food coloring, because this shit is hard to get off of you. I don't know what I'm going to do about my face, but like I'm gonna try something for just take out the mark here. I don't know like what I'm going to do or how I'm going to get them out, but this is a Halloween costume that is very easy to recreate. It's very easy. It's not expensive at all. The veil fabric you can get at any fabric store, and all I did was just put a headband around that so that it looks like an actual veil. As I said, this is my 10th grade graduation dress, and the fake blood is just food coloring. Food coloring that I used is by Maclas, I think that's what it's called, and this cost 120 Jamaican dollars for one bottle. So yeah, you guys just do the whole conversion to see how much that would actually cost you in your currency. But I used 1 part blue to like 4 parts red if you want like rotten stale looking type of blood, but if you want fresh blood you can just use straight red. So this is what it looks like, and of course it's all messy because I messed it up. Don't judge my fingernails, people. Yeah. So that's what that looks like, and I really hope you guys enjoy this. If you do enjoy this, of course give it a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to share it. Don't forget to head on over to Facebook and like my Facebook fan page at NaturallyMsToya, and also follow me on Instagram and Twitter at NaturallyMsToya. All the links to my direct social media networks will be in the description bar. Ugh, I got more blood on me. Will be in the description bar, and you guys don't forget to comment below letting me know what you think about this look. If you guys have any requests that you want me to try for Halloween looks or any other makeup tutorial, then don't be afraid to let me know. Leave that in the comment below as well. And if you guys are not already subscribed, you guys already know what to do. Click the subscribe button, and I love you guys so much. Thanks so much for watching my videos, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye. Okay guys, I'm beginning the look by applying a base to my face, and I'm going to be using the Santee liquid foundation to do this, and I'm applying this with a cosmetic wedge all over my face. This is going to give me the nice pale zombie like ghostly look that I'm looking for. If you don't have a liquid foundation that is lighter than you can go on ahead and use a white cream base. It will give you the same effect as this does. I'm blending this all the way down to my neck and also onto my shoulders. I'm going to be applying a couple coats of this until I get the consistency and the build up that I want.
I'm a star that will never shine. Girl, a lot of things you say hurt me feelings. Just be some demon, some hype. Girl, you say me nah go make it and you no business. You say boy, no matter how hard you try, you nah go make it and me no business. She say me nah reach nowhere in a life. Y'all confidence in me a way you never have, so you step on me.
I'm taking a blend of purple and really dark brown eyeshadow, and I'm using a beauty blender sponge just to apply this all around my eyes. This is going to give me the illusion of sunken eyes, and this is a very key aspect of a zombie type look.
I'm a star that will never shine. Girl, a lot of things you say hurt me feelings. Just be some demon, some hype. Girl, you say me nah go make it and you no business. You say boy, no matter how hard you try, you nah go make it and me no business. She say me nah reach nowhere in a life, but pretty table turn ya now, see the divorce.
Next, using this flat top blush brush, I'm going to be chiseling my face a little bit. I'm going to be using the same dark brown and I'm going to be contouring the sides of my cheeks. This is a very important step as well, because this is going to give the illusion of a sunken, slim type corpse-like face, and this is a very important aspect of the look as well. I'm going to be blending this out. Even though it's a dramatic look, you don't want it to look too ghostly, so don't forget to blend that out. And I'm also going to be applying this all around the perimeter of my forehead. I'm also using this color just to chisel out my collarbone a bit as well, and this is going to bring forth the bony parts of my collarbone and make me appear even more sunken and even more dead, so to speak. Next, I'm going to be setting all of this. This is very important, so use any pale powder that you wish, and also remember to use dabbing motions instead of circular blending motions. I'm trying to mess up my face a little bit, and I'm starting with like just messing up my brows, and you don't want everything to be too perfect because that's not the point of the look. So I'm just dabbing this spoolie in them just to mess them up a little bit. Taking this LA Girl Pro Concealer, I'm going to go in and make my lips even more pale because they look too flesh-like. I'm just going to be applying this concealer all over my lips just to give it that washed out dead effect. Next, here comes the fun part. I'm going to be using my food coloring. I'm using 1 part blue to 4 parts red, and this is going to give me kind of like a stale type blood, as I said before. And I'm just dabbing some of this on with a cosmetic wedge. And I'm going to create teardrops and also blood drops on the side of my mouth. So for the blood drops, I'm just going to be tilting my head to one side while allowing the fake blood to drip down. And I'm going to be repeating this step also under my eyes to give me the illusion of fake tears.
Of course, them have a lot of it, plus a bad habit, like a crack addict. Never want to spend, but whatever you buy them, want to add a bit. As the clock a tick, me young got a flick.
So this is all up to you, any way you want it to look. Just blend it as you wish, do whatever you want. This is where you get very creative. Careful guys, this blood is very messy and it runs a lot and it dries really fast.
Me a work for my bread when me dad certified it. When bad minds shop with the Glock full of shot when them want inserts in my hair. Which wizard wants them to change like lizard, but me a cut like scissors. Friends with hearts, mind gizzard, black and yellow. Yeah, like the slippers we can leave for we have problems. Study your friends like lizard, cause them appear when the money stone shine.
Once that's done, you add your veil and your look is complete. So here's a complete look guys. I hope you really enjoy this. Happy Halloween.
Them no want see you spread your wings. Them a pray for your drop on your back with your head up in. Shallow grave, them a pray for your end up in. So keep the eyes in your head up in. When me a work for mine, me never see no hero, no heroine. Where them there? When me a work for my bread, when me dad certified.